A building surveyor in Palam Vihar plays a crucial role in ensuring the safety and compliance of construction projects in the area. With their expertise in assessing the structural integrity and compliance of buildings, they help ensure that construction projects meet the necessary standards and regulations. Building surveyors in Palam Vihar are responsible for conducting thorough inspections, evaluating the condition of existing buildings, and providing recommendations for repairs or improvements. They also play a vital role in the design phase of new construction projects, ensuring that the plans adhere to local building codes and regulations. Scon Design is a reputable architectural firm that provides comprehensive building surveying services in Palam Vihar. With their team of experienced and qualified surveyors, they offer a wide range of services to clients in the area. From conducting detailed inspections to preparing reports on building conditions, Scon Design ensures that their clients have all the information they need to make informed decisions about their properties. They also assist clients in obtaining necessary permits and approvals from local authorities, ensuring that their construction projects comply with all relevant regulations. The role of a building surveyor in Palam Vihar extends beyond construction projects. They also play a vital role in property management, helping property owners maintain and improve the condition of their buildings. By conducting regular inspections and assessments, building surveyors can identify potential issues before they become major problems. This proactive approach helps property owners save time and money by addressing maintenance needs early on. Building surveyors also provide expert advice on energy efficiency and sustainability, helping property owners reduce their environmental impact and save on utility costs. A building surveyor in Palam Vihar is vital to the region's construction projects' safety and compliance. They aid in making sure that building projects adhere to the necessary norms and laws, thanks to their knowledge in evaluating the structural integrity and compliance of buildings. In Palam Vihar, building surveyors are in charge of doing detailed examinations, assessing the state of existing buildings, and making suggestions for modifications or repairs. In order to ensure that the plans comply with local building laws and regulations, they are also essential throughout the design stage of new construction projects. A reputed architectural company called Scon Design offers thorough building surveying services in Palam Vihar. They provide clients in the area with a wide range of services thanks to their staff of knowledgeable and experienced surveyors. Scon Design makes sure that their clients have all the information they need to make informed decisions regarding their properties by conducting thorough inspections and creating reports on building issues. Additionally, they help clients get the appropriate licenses and approvals from neighborhood authorities so that their construction projects are compliant with all applications.